Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to an online installation service called Ninite. And what Ninite does is if you're running Windows or Linux, you can choose from all of these software packages below. Of course, there's less on Linux than there is Windows. And install basically everything you need to get started with a fresh installation on your computer. So if you just reformatted everything or just purchased a new computer, I would highly recommend going to ninite.com in order to install things quickly, painlessly, and with all of the clicking through. So let's say we wanted to install a couple things here, like say Google Talk. You'd probably want some web browsers. Let's get WinRAR. I generally prefer 7-zip, but WinRAR is probably the more popular unzipping tool. And you would definitely want Java. And let's get Greenshot as well. Now you can take as many of these little applications as you want and install them on your computer. And all you need to do is to go down here to Get Installer. In a couple seconds, it'll download the installer that is customized to the programs which you actually chose, which is great. So now we just open it up just like any other installation program. It'll prepare the setup. And then in the background, it'll start installing the programs. I already have a few of these installed, since clearly I used Ninite to get everything up and running on this PC. But you can see it already downloaded Greenshot as a application. It's installing it in the background. You notice that I didn't have to hit next on anything. I didn't have to confirm an install. Once you select it for Ninite and download the Ninite app, launch the Ninite app, it should be installed once it's done running. And this is something that goes really quickly in the background. As you can see, it already installed Google Talk, WinRAR, and Greenshot while I was just talking there. And the more programs you have, that you want from Ninite, rather, the more useful it is as a tool. Which means it's really useful as soon as you just reformat a computer. So if you need to install a whole bunch of programs, and especially if you're running Windows, but it's also good for Linux, then I would highly recommend checking out Ninite, ninite.com. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.